So here we go. Are you ready? Right, I'm gonna let it run down. Oh, look at that. You can't make that up, can you? A little spoonful of it. Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm in Bang Po area of Bangkok. What we're going to do, we're going to go and have some lunch. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I am absolutely starving. There's plenty of food around this area, I think. Well, I hope so, unless it's closed. Let's go check it out. The restaurant I'm going to is down here. Over there, looks really good. And I just walked past another one a minute ago. They look really good too. Where we are going sells beef noodles. It's not in there. Sorry about the noise, but there's a lot of cars around today. So we have this restaurant here, and this is where we're going. Hello, sit down. Right, so I've gone for the beef noodles with the egg noodles as well. So I'm looking forward to this. It smells really good. Anyway, let's go check it out. Some of those bits of beef are. Look really, really good. That was loud motorbikes outside. Okay, I'm going to go in. A little bit of chilli, not a lot. Right, I don't know where to start with this. Probably be a bit of beef, hasn't it? Oh, this is good. It's falling apart, this must be a bit of beef. Ooh. Delicious. I've learned you break up the noodles. It's a little bit easier to eat. Comes out a little piece of that. Yeah, this is a nice little restaurant, this. Look at that. Big fat piece of beef. All eaten. 1, 2, 3. Another one there. This is looking good. And this is going on the Google Maps. Definitely. Wow. So good. We'll go to our other place next. Just down the road. 2-minute walk. Great. The size of them, look. I'll break it up. I'll have a little bit of beef on each spoonful. This is, yeah, I bet this. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. Really, really good. People say that, but you have to try it to believe it. Ooh. If you could do me a favour as well, hit the like button. It really helps the videos. Those loud videos did terrible. I don't know what happened there. Back in Thailand. I'm going to crack on in this. I'll bring you back when it's time to get the bill. Bloody crab, check bin ครับ เท่าไหร่ครับ 57. Oh, that's very good. Okay, thank you. I'll tell you what, I wasn't expecting that. That was absolutely on another level. Wow. See his beef in there. That was very good. Alright, Mac. Thank you. Cap on cap. Alright, let's go and find something else to eat. That looks like another noodle restaurant across the road there. But I don't want to cross the road. What we'll do, we'll go straight down here. Or even go down a soy. You know what? I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to go to this one I went past earlier because that looks really, really good. And there was no people in there either, so easy to sit down and film. Those noodles, yeah, you can't make that up. That was absolutely 100% one of the best ones I've had, you know. That was absolutely amazing. I keep on saying amazing, don't I? But wow. I think it might have closed. Right, let's get past this noise. I'm sure it was around here. Where did it go? Oh, never mind. We'll find something else. That looks like a Cowman Guy restaurant over the road there. I walked past the restaurant 10 minutes ago. And now, I can't find it. Anyway, let's keep walking. We could pop over there and see Mr. T. He does one of the best pad krapaos I've had. We need to get across this road. Alright. This video doesn't get uploaded, you know what happens, I've got to run over. Here we are, the famous Mr. T. I've been in there before and it was very, very good. Have a look at the menu here. Oh yeah. Okay, for that one I think. And an egg. Okay, so Mr. T is not here today. What I've done, I've ordered a pad krapao with pork and an egg. still a little bit hungry, believe it or not. The guy behind me has just got a pack krapao and it looks massive. It's nice, cold Coke. Sorry, Bruce. So what he does with the egg, he does the yolk first, no, the white first. So the way he cooks his egg, he does the white first, then he adds the yolk right at the end. That way you get a very, very runny yolk. Look at the size of that. You see what I mean about the yolk. So this is one of my favourite packed krapaos in Thailand. No doubt of a lie, this really is. And we're going to do the egg test now and you'll see why. So here we go. Are you ready? Right, I'm going to let it run down. Oh, look at that. You can't make that up, can you? A little spoonful of it. In here, got some garlic and chilies. This is gonna make it taste really good. A little bit of that on the egg. I'll leave the link for this down in the description as well. I've actually done a video here before, probably about a year ago. I think the food has actually got even better. Wow. Where's your favourite packed krapao restaurant in Thailand? Let me know in the comments. I'll go and check it out. Got spicy out of it. That yolk has all gone into the rice. Oh, it's a bit noisy over there. Don't have to eat all of this. It's good though. I'm going to go for a long walk after this. A bit of exercise. Coke goes really well with spicy food. Right. I'm going to crack on and eat this, and I'll see you when it's time to get the bill. Wow, that came in at 95 baht. That was absolutely amazing. I'll leave a link for this down in the description. If you're in the area, check it out. The beef is even better. Have a beef packed krapao. Another level, that one. Anyway, Mr. T's and the Noodles. What a fantastic lunch I've had today. Noisy up bike. Anyway, I'm going to shoot off. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And adios.